Strong winds can occur any time of the year. To prevent unnecessary workplace injuries and tragedies, it's important that workers know the appropriate safety measures to take to ensure their safety and that of others on the work site. Working at heights is especially risky in high winds, because the lack of shelter exposes workers to stronger gusts that can throw the worker off balance. High winds can pick up sparks from fires or blow tools, loose materials and debris around, endangering workers as well as bystanders and pedestrians. This video provides employers and workers at outdoor work sites with strong wind safety do's and don'ts, and can help ensure the safety of those working at that site. Stop work at places with risks of falling objects or fall of person. Remove or secure loose materials. Secure plants and scaffolds. Use suitable personal protective equipment like safety helmets, safety shoes, etc. Evacuate to safe shelters to avoid exposure to strong winds. Use safe means of transport and route for evacuation. Protect from breakage of window glasses. Don't perform lifting work to high level. Don't perform work at height that could not be safely performed. Don't use umbrella, which can cause loss of body balance due to strong winds. Don't stay near windows